Good morning friends, I am Sarita and here I am with another topic of noun. As in my previous lesson, I have already discussed the two types like proper noun and common noun. Today I am here with the third topic, that is called collective noun. So let's get started, and once again I will tell you that your future is in my classroom today. So what is collective noun? Now first, the word itself says collective means something as is coming in a group. So the definition says it is the name of a number, it is the name of a number or collection of persons or things taken together and spoken of as a whole. So it is spoken of as a whole. So I am not talking about the noun which I have discussed yesterday, that is called common noun. Here what happens, group of common nouns. Group of common nouns taken together. So I can say group of common noun. Group of common noun taken as a whole. And this group of common noun taken as a whole, and this together is given a new name. So this together, if given a new name, that new name becomes the collective noun here. So this group of common nouns is not your collective noun. See, now when I am writing, say suppose I am writing students. Student word is singular, the student word is singular, and when I am making it, I am adding s to it, it becomes plural. Okay, so but it is common noun. Okay, so student, singular and plural. This is not a collective noun. When collectively group of common noun, I am giving a name. I am writing a class of students, a class of students. Okay, so here what I am doing is I am giving a name to it. Okay, what I am doing, I am giving a name to it, a class of students. Now a class of students, here students, as you already know, it's a common noun. It's a common noun here. Now here this word which is making a class, the group of common noun is given a name here. So what name is given? A class. This becomes your collective noun. Okay, I think it's clear for you. So this is not your collective noun, this is a common noun in plural form. When the students are coming together or in one place, I am taking in a group and I am giving another name to it, that is a class. So this class becomes your collective noun. Okay, so it is understandable now. And when it is collective noun, see, students generally if you use, it's a plural. So common noun can be singular and plural, but here when I am putting it as a one class, what I am telling it is one class. So when I am putting in a class, this becomes your singular. Okay, this becomes your singular now. So we will go through many examples of collective noun where a group of common noun taken together as a whole and given a new name, that is called your collective noun. So I am giving some examples to it. Say if I am talking about a group of persons, say suppose group of persons, here you can write, as I have taken the example, a class of students. Another one you can even take it as a team of players, when players comes together. Like in your cricket and all, you see many members together form a team. It's not one member which forms a team, right? A team of players. So here students are common noun and players is also a common noun. So when group like players comes together, it forms a team, cricket team, football team, kabaddi team, many teams are there. So a team is singular, but it is formed from group of players in it. So now a team of players comes under your group of person given a new name as a whole. Now when you go for group of things, when you write group of things, you can take example a bunch of flower, a bunch of flowers. Look, see here you don't have to get confused, like so many flowers together makes a bunch. You many times even you present a bouquet. I hope you all remember, you go to marriage anniversaries, you go to somebody's birthday party and all, you present what? A bouquet. So bouquet is what? A collection of flowers. So bunch of flowers. So here when flowers comes together, even bouquet is your comes under that. So a bunch of flowers. Here a bunch becomes your collective noun. Another one you can take it as a library of books. So books here is a common noun, but when it's together given a name, a new name, that becomes a library. So whenever for a collective noun for books we are writing, always we use a library, and make it very clear when I am talking of a library, it's singular, because as a whole it is giving you one name. Am I right? As a whole I am giving it one name. And for flowers as a whole I am giving a name, a bunch. Again for a group, so many students together in sitting in one class. So a class. Again many players in one place, as a whole called as a team. Okay. We will go for more examples.